Hi, we can see our update process in a lequibase XML. So we have one table records, employee table is 3 records. ID 1, 2, 3 it has. We want to update the salary of the Mayur Patel who has one ID. So for that we can create a one change set stepwise. Change set and the sequence IDs define different and update tag need to update the data. So in that we can table name define. Table name is employee. Column name, column head, column name, salary, and its value we set the 9900 and set the where close using where attributes where tag and salary ID is 1. So after these changes, this implementation result will be 9900 here, currently 5500 store in employee table. Now we can start the application for getting the effect in employee table and salary will be reflected 9900. Now you can see, yeah, successfully is done. We can see ID has 1 and 9900 it is affected. So this way we can update the data, is modify the data just like a employee table record. So we can use the lequibase tag for apply or modify update data.